Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix a Roku remote blinking green, repairing it quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Repair the Roku remote. Step 1. Turn on your Roku TV or Roku device. Step 2. Remove the batteries from the remote. Step 3. Unplug the Roku device from power. Step 4. Wait 30 seconds. Then plug the Roku back in. Step 5. Insert batteries into the remote. Step 6. Press and hold the pairing button inside battery compartment for 5 seconds. Step 7. Wait until the green light stops blinking. Fix 2. Replace or reinsert batteries. Step 1. Remove old batteries from the remote. Step 2. Insert new AAA batteries. Match plus correctly. Step 3. Try pairing again. Fix 3. Restart Roku using physical buttons. Step 1. Turn off your Roku TV. Step 2. Unplug it from power. Step 3. Wait 1 minute. Step 4. Plug it back in and try the remote.